Listen up, folks. If you are stepping onto the firing line with a 10mm, you are making a serious statement. This is not your average weekend plinking caliber. This is pure, unadulterated American horsepower. When this heavy hitter first dropped onto the scene, it hit the firearms industry like a freight train. For a hot minute, we all thought it was going to completely bury the 9mm as the ultimate defensive standard. This beast was born from the legendary minds at Norma Ammunition, working alongside the godfather of modern pistolcraft himself, Colonel Jeff Cooper. The engineering recipe was brilliantly aggressive. Take a .40 caliber bullet, seat it down into a chopped-off .30 Remington case, and let it eat. Those early factory loads were pushing a 170-grain projectile at a blisteringly fast 1,300 feet per second. That is not just poking holes in cardboard. That is devastating, threat-stopping kinetic energy. Fast forward to today, and the ammunition market has opened this caliber up to a massive spectrum of tactical applications. You want lightweight urban defense? You can run 135-grain hollow points, breaking the sound barrier at well over 1,200 feet per second. Are you heading deep into grizzly country? Load up some 230-grain hard-cast lead that will punch straight through bone and heavy muscle at 1,150 feet per second. It is one of the only auto-loading platforms on the market that seamlessly transitions from a concealed carry rig to a rigid duty belt, all the way to a backcountry chest holster for apex predator defense. Today, we are diving deep into the top 7 pistols chambered in 10mm that you can actually walk into a gun shop and buy right now. We are talking modern polymer duty guns, heavyweight steel classics, and everything sitting in between. Let us get right into it. Number 7. Rock Island Armory TAC Ultra FSHC in 10mm. If you want to bring overwhelming firepower to the table while rocking that legendary 1911 silhouette, you need to look at this rig. The TAC Ultra is an all-steel, double-stack 1911 that gives you a massive 16+1 rounds of 10mm on board. Having 17 rounds of magnum-level energy in a 1911 platform is an absolute tactical game-changer. And let me tell you, from my time on the range, that heavy steel frame is your absolute best friend here. When you are touching off full-house defensive loads, that physical weight acts like an anchor, soaking up the recoil and keeping your muzzle tracking beautifully for your follow-up shots. The slide fitment is incredibly tight for the price point. You get aggressive front and rear cocking serrations that bite deeply into your hand, making press checks easy even if you are running tactical gloves. It features a 5-inch match-grade barrel, paired up with a full-length guide rod to ensure that heavy slide cycles reliably under extreme pressure. For your sight picture, they give you a fully adjustable rear notch and a high-visibility fiber optic front sight that practically glows when you are shooting under the afternoon sun. The textured grip panels lock aggressively into your palms. They give you total command over the pistol without feeling like rough sandpaper against your skin. Down below, you have a fully railed dust cover, ready to accept your favorite weapon light or laser unit. They even throw in a skeletonized trigger and hammer right from the factory. Speaking of that trigger, it breaks incredibly clean and resets fast. That is exactly what you need to stay on target when you are driving a cartridge with this much mechanical bark. Pound for pound, the value here is ridiculous. You are getting double-stack capacity, rugged steel construction, and true 10mm dominance, typically for well under $1,000. Whether it is riding in an outside-the-waistband holster or sitting in your truck console, this Rock Island will take a beating and ask for more. Number 6. Springfield Armory XDM Elite 4.5 OSP in 10mm. Now, if you are a huge fan of modern polymer striker-fired guns, Springfield engineered this specific model from the ground up to eat high-pressure 10mm all day long. This OSP configuration sports a 4.5-inch match-grade barrel housed in a full-length slide. Right out of the hard case, the weight balance and inherent accuracy are absolutely phenomenal. What really steals the show here is Springfield's meta trigger system. In the world of factory striker-fired pistols, this is easily one of the most refined trigger presses you will ever experience. You get a very short take-up, a definitive glass rod wall, and a lightning-fast reset that makes defensive rapid fire feel effortless. You are packing 16+1 rounds inside their notoriously tough steel-lined magazines that drop free flawlessly during emergency reloads. But the biggest selling point is that OSP designation, meaning this slide is factory cut and ready for a modern red dot optic. Whether you are running a Trigicon, a Holosun, or a Leupold, you just drop the mounting plate in, torque your screws down, and hit the firing line. No shipping your slide off to a custom machinist for weeks on end. The controls are fully ambidextrous, making it perfect for lefties or weak-hand barricade drills. Springfield's molded frame texture locks your grip in tight, and that flared magwell funnels those reloads home when your adrenaline is spiking. The weight distribution is a perfect compromise. It is light enough to comfortably carry on a sturdy belt, but substantial enough to keep the muzzle out of the sky when you run hot defensive ammo. If you are transitioning away from your 9mm and want a heavy-duty polymer striker gun for the woods or home defense, the XDM Elite is an absolute workhorse. If you are tracking with me so far, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which 10mm pistol you trust your life with. We have 5 more incredible firearms to cover. Number 5. SIG Sauer P220 Elite in 10mm. This is the beautiful result of taking old-school, hammer-forged craftsmanship and feeding it modern Magnum-tier ballistics. The P220 Elite pairs an indestructible forged stainless steel slide with a lightweight yet highly durable alloy frame. This is a traditional hammer-fired combat pistol, and the way it handles the harsh recoil impulse of this cartridge is nothing short of engineering magic. Out of the box, SIG outfits this beast with their legendary SIG Light night sights. You get a fixed front sight and an adjustable rear, guaranteeing a brilliant glowing sight picture in the dead of night or inside a dim structure. The barrel itself is a 5.8-inch chrome-lined powerhouse, and it comes threaded straight from the factory. That extra barrel length pushes your terminal velocities even higher, extends your sight radius for precision shots, and lets you thread on a suppressor without needing any aftermarket drop-in barrels. The frame is wrapped in premium G10 grip panels that offer an aggressive, slip-free texture, locking the gun into your firing grip securely under heavy recoil. The ergonomics on this frame give you plenty of leverage to fight muzzle flip, allowing for surprisingly fast strings of fire. Then you have SIG's classic safety mechanism. It features an external hammer, an ergonomic decocking lever, and several internal drop safeties. You can safely drop the hammer over a live chamber, knowing the firing pin is physically blocked until you intentionally pull that trigger rearward. The internal disconnector also ensures the gun absolutely will not fire if it is even slightly out of battery. This is a rugged, duty-grade sidearm that delivers extreme kinetic energy. Whether you are carrying it over your waders while fishing in bear country or just showing off at the gun range, this SIG commands total respect. Number 4. Glock 20 in 10mm. When you need a defensive tool that simply works every single time you pull the trigger, this is the undisputed king of battlefield reliability. This full-size striker-fired monolith is legendary for chewing through the hottest 10mm loads on the planet without a single mechanical hiccup. You load the magazine, rack the slide, and it is ready to go to work. It brings all the classic Glock hallmarks to the table: an incredibly consistent trigger pull, effortless field stripping, and a track record written in stone by professionals around the globe. You are carrying 15+1 rounds of heavy-hitting firepower. Put that up against any big-bore wheel gun on the market, and the capacity advantage is absolutely staggering. Because of the wide polymer frame flex and the heavy slide mass, the recoil is extremely well mitigated. It is a beefy handgun, no doubt about it, but with proper grip mechanics and stance, you can easily control it even during single-handed operation. The grip circumference is thick, but the aggressive texturing gives you a solid anchor point. Down on the dust cover, you have a standard accessory rail, making it a perfect nightstand gun with a high-lumen weapon light attached. And let us talk about aftermarket support, because nobody beats Glock. You can swap triggers, drop in aftermarket precision barrels, add heavy tungsten guide rods, or get the slide milled exactly how you want it. It is not a safe queen, and it is not trying to win a beauty contest. It is a brutally efficient, indestructible platform that will protect your family in the home or save your life on a remote backcountry trail. Number 3. Colt Delta Elite in 10mm. If we are talking about the true history of this cartridge, We have to pay respect to the original production gun that put it on the map. The Delta Elite takes the proven government model 1911 blueprint and beefs it up structurally to handle the punishing chamber pressures of the 10mm round. You are looking at gorgeous, full stainless steel construction from the slide down to the frame. It features iconic Novak 3-dot sights that give you a clean, low-snag, combat-ready sight picture. Colt incorporated a pronounced, upswept beaver tail grip safety that intuitively forces your firing hand high up onto the frame during a fast draw stroke. They also added wide, aggressive rear cocking serrations, a lowered and flared ejection port for reliable brass clearance, and an upgraded hammer profile. When you run the slide by hand, it feels incredibly slick and tight, exactly what you expect from a premium-tier 1911. The safety mechanics are traditional John Moses Browning brilliance. You have the mechanical manual thumb safety and the rear grip safety working in tandem. If your hand is not wrapped securely around that grip, the gun mechanically cannot fire. It is a fantastic layer of insurance against negligent discharges, especially when you are reholstering your weapon with an elevated heart rate. The trigger is pure Colt perfection. It gives you a crisp, glass-like break, a very short reset, and practically zero pre-travel slack. It holds 8+1 rounds, and Colt provides 2 magazines in the hard case right from the factory. The Delta Elite gives you heritage, a century of proven battle ergonomics, and the raw, bone-crushing power of the 10mm in one seamless package. It is an absolute classic that deserves a prime spot in any serious shooter's safe. Number 2. Wesson RZ-10 in 10mm. For the hardcore 1911 purists who refuse to compromise on fit, finish, or dynamic performance, the RZ-10 is an absolute masterpiece. This pistol was designed specifically for shooters who understand what true, hand-fitted craftsmanship feels like on the firing line. Yes, the price tag hovers just under that $1,500 mark, but the second you send a magazine downrange, every single penny makes perfect sense. Take a close look at the slide. It features a gorgeous Clark-style rib that is actually machined directly into the top of the steel forging. It is not pinned. It is not glued. It is an integral part of the slide, providing a completely glare-free channel for your low-profile combat sights. Drawing from a tight concealment holster is incredibly smooth, with absolutely zero snag hazards. The grips are Dan Wesson's signature double-diamond Cocobolo wood. They look incredibly classy while providing enough organic friction to control the recoil without tearing up your skin during high round count classes. The frame is entirely forged steel. Inside, you have a skeletonized hammer, a sharp blade-style trigger, and a 5-inch match-grade ramped barrel. That fully ramped barrel translates to absolute feeding reliability, with hollow points and laser-like accuracy when the pressure is on. They undercut the trigger guard beautifully, allowing you to get a high, vice-like grip on the gun. Combine that with the beaver tail and the extended manual thumb safety, and this pistol simply melts right into your hand. The magwell has a subtle, clean flare to speed up those tactical reloads when the shot timer is running. It ships with a single 9-round magazine, which is standard protocol for high-end production guns in this category. The cocking serrations on the front and rear are deep, giving you tons of positive purchase. When you fire this weapon, the recoil impulse is incredibly flat. The trigger reset is phenomenally short and highly tactile. If you are a serious hunter or a backcountry enthusiast who wants elite-level 1911 performance, the RZ-10 is simply top tier. Number 1. Glock G40 Gen 4 in 10mm. When your primary objective is maximum ballistic velocity and undeniable hunting performance backed by Glock reliability, the G40 Gen 4 is the absolute king of the hill. This is Glock's dedicated long slide variant, engineered specifically for handgun hunters who want to squeeze every drop of foot-pounds of energy out of this cartridge. That massive 6-inch barrel gives you a ridiculously long sight radius, bumps up your bullet velocity significantly, and visibly tightens your groups at extended distances. Plus, it easily meets the minimum barrel length legal requirements for hunting in a lot of strict states across the country. Just like its brothers, the frame is polymer, which keeps the unloaded weight incredibly manageable when you are hiking miles into the dense brush. The slide is treated with Glock's incredibly durable gas nitrided finish, so it will shrug off rain, snow, and moisture without rusting. It comes with standard fixed sights out of the box, but the slide is precision cut for Glock's modular optic system. This allows you to easily mount a rugged red dot sight using their factory adapter plates without calling a gunsmith. Shooting a heavy 10mm with a red dot is practically a cheat code for rapid target acquisition and maintaining a tight lockup during heavy recoil strings. The frame includes 3 interchangeable backstraps, letting you customize the grip geometry to fit your specific hand size perfectly. You also get a reversible magazine catch, which is a huge ergonomic win for the left-handed shooters out there. Internally, the dual recoil spring assembly does an amazing job of absorbing the violent slide velocity of this heavy caliber. Your follow-up shots are going to stay much flatter and much faster than you would expect. Magazine capacity sits at 10 rounds, and Glock generously throws 3 of them into the box. The trigger is everything you expect from a Gen 4 Glock. Extremely predictable, safe, and utterly reliable. And of course, you get the legendary 3-tier safety system: the trigger blade safety, firing pin block, and drop safety. The bottom line is simple. The G40 Gen 4 is the ultimate factory hunting sidearm. If you demand power, precision, and a gun that will not quit in the harshest environments on Earth, this is the crown jewel of the Glock lineup. All right, let us have some real talk about the 10mm before we pack up our range bags and head home. It is an absolutely phenomenal defensive cartridge, but let us be honest with ourselves. It is not for every single shooter. The recoil is significantly snappier than a 9mm. The high-quality ammunition is going to hit your wallet a lot harder. And there is a very good reason why most of the handguns built for it are thick, duty-sized powerhouses. You also have to watch out for what the firearms industry calls FBI light loads. A lot of standard factory ammo out there is loaded down to much lower chamber pressures, giving you noticeably softer recoil. If you are only ever going to run weak practice ammo, save your money and just buy a 40 Smith & Wesson. It is cheaper to feed, faster to shoot, and much easier to carry. But when you load up genuine full-power 10mm defensive rounds, you are going to feel the shockwave travel up your arms. It might not be a full-blown 44 Magnum, but it demands respect and highly disciplined recoil management. If you take a compact gun like a Glock 29 and feed it a spicy Hornady or Buffalo Bore load, you are going to be holding on to a very lively piece of polymer. Keep in mind, these cartridges are long, which means any double-stack frame is going to have a lot of aggressive grip girth. A Glock 20 might fit your hand like a custom glove, or it might feel like you are holding a 2x4. You need to get your hands on one and check the ergonomics before you drop your hard-earned cash. And if you are trying to carry one concealed inside the waistband, please manage your physical expectations. Shooting a micro-compact frame with Magnum-level loads is like trying to tame a wild horse with one hand. It is punishing. So I want to pass the question off to you. Why are you looking at stepping up to the 10mm? Are you carrying it in the deep woods for predator defense? Are you getting into handgun hunting this season? Or do you just love bringing the thunder and lightning to the indoor range? Get down in the comments and let us talk shop. If you found this breakdown helpful and you want to support the channel, absolutely destroy that like button. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications. Stay armed, stay trained, and stick around, because we have a lot more heavy-hitting firearms content coming down the pipe.